Concerns are looming over Toyota's future amid scandals and sales troubles. Welcome back to Everyman Driver. Toyota is currently navigating through a series of significant challenges that cast doubt on its future performance. The vehicle certification scandal from last year continues to haunt the company, causing widespread disruptions. Additionally, 100,000 Tundras and Lexus LXs are undergoing engine replacements due to manufacturing issues. Adding to the turmoil, Toyota faces lawsuits concerning its ambitious hydrogen projects. Despite these setbacks, the company managed to post an impressive profit of $8.9 billion from April through June, the first quarter of the fiscal year 2025 in Japan. This profit represents a 1.7% increase compared to the same period last year, making it a record for Toyota. Operating income saw a 17% rise, reaching $8.9 billion, while revenue increased by 12% to $78.7 billion. Both first quarter records. However, Toyota's global sales have dipped by 1.9% during this period, with Japan experiencing a significant 14% decline, primarily due to the vehicle certification issues that led to a stop sale on several models. If it weren't for the North American market, where sales rose by 14.3% in the first half of the year, Toyota's financial outlook might have been more concerning. The question remains, how can a company achieve record profits despite declining overall sales? Toyota attributes this anomaly to the depreciation of the Japanese yen, suggesting that the financial figures could fluctuate if the yen recovers, which it is currently doing. Future quarterly results will also be impacted by improved sales in Japan as the stop sale lifts on affected models like the Yaris Cross and the two Corolla trims. In the US, Toyota's performance is mixed. While most models are thriving, the Highlander and Tacoma have seen sales plummet by over 40% in the first half of the year. On a brighter note, the new Crown has had a strong debut with over 14,000 sold by June, and the Camry continues its reign as a sedan favorite with 155,000 units sold, marking a 3% increase. SUVs, despite the Highlander's exception, remain the top sellers, with all models seeing at least a 30% increase. The RAV4, Toyota's bestseller, has already reached 250,000 sales, with half the year still remaining. Go RAV4. As Toyota grapples with these challenges, its ability to sustain growth and navigate through these turbulent times remains uncertain. The coming quarters will be crucial in determining whether Toyota can overcome these obstacles and maintain its position as a global automotive leader. And then there's this recent news about Toyota. They have confirmed that the 2025 GR Corolla will be available with an automatic transmission, along with other mechanical updates. The new model year introduces an 8-speed automatic transmission, which features advanced technology for shifting based on pedal inputs. This is different from the gearboxes used in the GR Supra and GR86. The 2025 GR Corolla retains its 1.6-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder, producing 300 horses. However, torque has increased from 273 to 295 pound-feet, matching the Marazzo edition. Additional enhancements include front and rear rebound springs, an improved rear suspension for better cornering, and a raised trailing arm mounting point to reduce rear squat during heavy acceleration. All 2025 GR Corolla models will come standard with front and rear limited slip differentials, which were previously part of an optional package on the base trim and standard on higher trims for 2024. And now you're up to date on some of the going-ons with Toyota. What do you think? How do you feel about their profits and their concerns? And are you excited about the GR Corolla? Leave those in the comments section below. If and when you are in the market for a new truck, car, or SUV, I highly encourage you to check out quotes.everymandriver.com, quotes.everymandriver.com for the lowest deals being offered in your zip code from qualified dealerships. That's quotes.everymandriver.com. You'll get insider access to dealer pricing in your area, make, model, and zip code. If you don't find what you're looking for in your zip code, it's real easy. Expand that zip code. Be willing to travel a few miles outside your area to save a few hundred, possibly a few $1,000s on a new car, truck, or SUV of your choice. Do research now. Make the dealers compete for your business. There's also a link below this video. That's my video for today. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and click subscribe if you haven't already. It's free and it really helps support this channel. See you next time. Today's video is brought to you by The Cold Plunge. Use discount code DAVE150 at checkout at thecoldplunge.com. Immediately save $150 off your purchase. That's DAVE150 at thecoldplunge.com. There's also a link below this video.